through the back door, freezing in the cold. Communication breakdown, emotional overload. Been through a wall of fire, now I feel like the ashes glow. Ashes glow. Cars passing on the freeway, my mind is on the run. Keep running from a shadow, I'm not the only one. Somewhere in the distance, someone's taking flight. Destination unknown, just fade into the light. So much said and